Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the concept of Moody diagram and its use in commercial purpose. So let's move on to video. Hello friends, as we have seen that in case of commercial pipes, to obtain value of friction factor, we have developed a semi-empirical equation. So semi-empirical equation was 1 upon root f minus 2 log to the base 10 r upon k, that is equal to 1.74 minus 2 log to the base 10 1 plus 18.7 r upon k divided by re under root of f. In this equation, there are total 3 variable parameters. First is value of friction factor, that is f, the ratio r upon k, and third thing is Reynolds number re. So it is clear that if we want to find this value, that is friction factor value, we should know the corresponding value of r upon k and re. So for that purpose, some experiments on trial and error basis were developed, and according to type of pipe, some diagrams were plotted, some graphs were plotted. If we see the diagrams, it will look something like this. Here the axis, this x-axis representing Reynolds number. Reynolds number is Re, that is rho Vd upon mu. Here this axis is representing relative roughness, that is value of k upon d. So value of k upon d is plotted from its least value to the highest value, and further on another side there exists factor, that is friction factor f. So this is the third axis which is seen in the diagram, that is there are various zones. Say for example, this is fully rough zone. So reading in this zone indicates that we are talking about fully rough zone, or some laminar flow zone. So this is the curve laminar flow, and we have seen this formula also for laminar flow. 64 upon Re is the value of friction factor. So this is the zone of lamina. If pipes are smooth, then we have obtained some curves. I again repeat, these curves are obtained by considering log paper, and the values are plotted in the manner of experiment. So these values are values for curves are plotted experimentally, and after so many experiments we have obtained only one curve, and this diagram is the combination of so many curves. Say for example, I have drawn one of the curve like this, one of the curve like this, one of the curve like this. So for corresponding values of this r by k and re, without doing any calculations, now we don't have any need, we just see corresponding value of friction factor, that is this side, for the corresponding value of Re and k upon d ratio. So it is clear that for convenience purpose, the Moody diagram is being invented and plotted, and accordingly we will get the value of friction factor. So its purpose is to get value of friction factor if numerical value of r upon k and Reynolds number is known. Here k is nothing but the equivalent sand grain roughness. Now let us see the importance of Moody diagram. we know that we will consider the importance of Moody diagram by considering an example. Say for example, in industry we have set up a set of pipes. Say for example, there is a pipe in industry which is new in condition. So we know the value of roughness for new pipe. Say this is mild steel pipe. So value of friction factor is say 0.005. Now it is clear that as years will go on, due to aging, due to corrosion, this internal smooth surface which was smooth initially will get corroded and now it will become something rough. So this is at start of plant or during installation, and after 5 years this becomes rough, so value will increase. Say for example, it is become 0.006. Whatever are the calculations of head losses were considered the value of F as 0.005, but after few days, after few years, it will come to know that whatever should be the results are not obtained in the old condition. So for that purpose we have to revise some values of various terms, which includes value of F also. So if we want to calculate value of F in newly mode, then we have to use the equation. First option is equation and second option is using Moody diagram. So the factors K upon D and RE are calculated easily, so we generally use Moody diagram, and corresponding new values of K upon D and RE, we will have new value of F, that is 0.006 in very simple manner. So this is the application in industry for Moody diagrams. Now one more scientist called Ekeeda have also plotted the diagram. Same diagram, but this was not for transition region. Okay, so according to Ekeeda, the diagrams were plotted were same as Moody diagrams, but they were not that much efficient in transition regions. So another benefit of Moody diagram is that they are useful in transition regions also. That's all. Thank you.